Hello everyone. In this video I would like to talk about something that I invented. It's not popular yet, but I hope in a few months, few years, the title will be significant. This title is called a digital trustee. Right now we have I'm a lawyer. They can do estate planning. That's when mawufa imali zakho nomuzi wakho are passed on to your beneficiary. Ama-beneficiary depend ukuthi will yakho uyibhale kanjani. So i-digital trustee in a way i-lawyer yakho eyazi online, i-lawyer yakho eyazi ukuthi une-account ku-YouTube, une-account ku-Facebook, une-blog, unama-assets, unama-tokens, unama-bitcoin. I-digital trustee umsebenzi wayo ukuthi yazi ukuthi okay nayi information onayo wena online, makwenza kushona yonke le value yakho nama-assets wakho kwazile kwa-generator online azophasona kwingane yakho. For example, mina right now njengoba ngenza i-content online, ngiyafisa ukuthi mangishona ingane yami or ingane zami esazoza zizokwazi ukuthi iqhubeke nayo benefit from le content engiyenzile even after 5 years 10 years sengashona. And leyo nto yokwenzeka if ama-account ami, ama-details ami, i-digital footprint yami ngi-communicate kwi-lawyer yami. But right now i-lawyer yami ayazi lutho nge-digital, so that's why ngikhuluma nge-digital trustee. I hope lento izotrenda soon. I hope khona umuntu ozothinta i-lawyer yakhe uthi hey man ngicela ungitshela ukuthi unayo yini plan for ama-bitcoins ami. But anyways, if you think more information or we lawyer and you would like us to talk about digital estate planning, please hit me up on WhatsApp and soxoxa and nami ngibone ukuthi abantu ngingabasiza kanjani ngale information. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers.